What if you're 30,000 feet in the air, and suddenly the lights flicker, the engines stall, and everything goes quiet? Could an airplane really lose power mid-flight? And if so, what happens next? Today, we're digging into the truth about airplanes, blackouts, and what would happen if the grid, or something worse, took them out. First, let's bust a myth. Airplanes don't depend on your local power grid. They generate their own electricity using onboard systems tied to the engines. That power runs everything: lights, avionics, and even your phone charger under the seat. But that doesn't mean they're untouchable. A massive solar storm, a high-altitude EMP, or cyber attacks on air traffic control could cripple communications, navigation, and even backup systems. While the plane itself has protection, the bigger network it depends on, radar, GPS, satellites, could all go dark. Here's the truth: modern airplanes are designed to glide. If both engines failed, pilots are trained to turn their plane into a giant glider. In 2001, Air Transat Flight 236 lost both engines over the Atlantic. The pilots glided for nearly 20 minutes and landed safely in the Azores. It wasn't luck, it was training and engineering. Planes rely on satellites and ground radar for communication and navigation. If a cyber attack or space weather event crippled those, pilots could still use old-school methods: visual navigation, dead reckoning, and backup radio systems. The system is layered with redundancy, but chaos would spread fast if thousands of flights lost guidance at once. Think about the ripple effect. If planes are grounded worldwide due to EMPs or GPS failure, food and medicine shipments stop. Business freezes. Families are stranded. The skies go silent. And it doesn't take a Hollywood scenario. Just a single solar storm or targeted attack could set it all in motion. So could airplanes lose power? Yes, but not the way you think. Engines have backups and pilots are trained for emergencies. The bigger threat isn't the plane itself, it's the fragile network that guides them. And if that ever fails, the fallout will reach far beyond the runway. This is the Blackout Engineer. Survive everything, even 30,000 feet in the air. Subscribe for more.